Okay. Welcome to Shareability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Biswamba. I'm going to handle you with P4 mathematics. Of course, this is a self-study lesson. Our subtopic today is finding the average of a what? Average of a number. When you talk about finding the average of a number, in this video today we shall be able to understand what average is, how do we find average, what is the other names or meaning for average. Okay, so this is my telephone number and our email is elearning@shareability.net. Okay, so let's get started. Our topic, as we have said, we are going to handle average. We shall be able to see how do we find average. Like here they are saying finding average or mean. That means when they may ask you the mean of a number. When they ask you mean of a number, it is the same as what? It is the same as average. So in so doing, we shall also say this is also calculated by adding a group of numbers and then dividing by the count of those numbers. Okay, this is calculated by adding. You add a group of numbers. You add a group of what? A group of numbers, and then you divide them by the count of those numbers. That means when those group of numbers are there, you shall be able to count how many numbers are there. Then you divide them after you have added. Okay, for example, they have given us an example here. They are saying the average of 2, 3, 5, 7, and 10 is 30 divided by 6, which is 5. So the median, the middle number, the median or the middle number of the group of members. So that means when they say find the what? Find the mean. They are meaning average. So the answer you get is the what? Is the mean or the median number of that number. For example, I've been given a number here. So as we are talking about a group of what? You add a group of numbers. This is a group of what? A group of numbers. This one from here up to here, they are a group of numbers. You add them. After adding them, then you do what? You divide by the what? By the count. What do they mean by the count? They are meaning you have to understand how many are they. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here they are able to say the average of this group of numbers is what? Is 30. So that means they are able to count these numbers. They are able to count them, and they gave out 30. Then they are divided by what? By 6. I've seen. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So when they divided them, they were able to get what? They were able to get 5. Can you have a look at this example? As they are saying, if we have a 2 here, this is going to be our what? Our solution. Okay, this is going to be our solution. We shall be having a group of these numbers, which is a 2. We have a 3, and also we have a 3, and also we have a 5. Okay. We also have a 7. We also have a 10. So they were saying this is a what? This is a group of what? This is a group of numbers. So we shall be able to add them. What is a 2 plus what? 2 plus 3 plus a 3 again plus 5 plus 7 plus 10. Okay, this is our numbers. Let us add them, see how many are they. And we say then they were saying we divide this number by the count of them. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, shall divide them by 6. So here we shall be able to get what? An answer. What is 2 plus 3? We get a 5. What is 5 plus 3? You get 8. What is 8 plus 5? You get what? 13. 13 plus 7, we get 20. 20 plus 10, we get 30. Okay, here we have been able to get our what? Our 30. Divided by what? Divided by 6. Okay, here we have our 30 divided by 6. In the recent lesson we have been able to see how can we divide a number by this. You can either use this method. Okay, you say 30 divided by 6. Okay, you shall be able to get our what? Our figure here. Okay, so when you say 3 divided by 6, of course here you get it is impossible. You write a 0, then you bring another one. You say 30 divided by this, we get 5. Okay, we get what? We get 5. So when we say 5 times this, we shall still get what? Shall still get 30. Okay, so when we subtract this, we shall get not. Then the number is what? Is done. That's where here they are able to come with shall say therefore the answer is 5. Okay, so that's how we shall be dealing with what? Shall be dealing with finding the average, finding the mean. Okay, I have another example. Find the average of a number. Example, I find the average of 0 2 4. So here they have clearly given out the formula that for you to get the average of a number, you have to be you say average is equal to the total, okay, the one we did up, divided by the number of items. So we have items here. This is a group. Then that group is having those items 0 2 4. Okay, so the total of this one, then divided by the number of item. This is an item 1 2. Okay, so we have a 0 plus a 2 plus a 4 plus a 3. We shall be able to get our 6. But how many are they? They are also 1 2 3 divided by 3. So they are able to get a 2. Alright, so that's how we shall be dealing with finding average. Okay, let's come to another number again. Find the average. You are still on finding what? Finding the average. Find the average age of 3 girls. One of 8 years, another of 10 years, and the third girl of 9 years. We have 3 girls here. One has 8 years, another one 10 years, another one has 9 years. So what is the average? What is the mean? What is the median? We shall be able to say their total age 8 years, 9 years is equal to 27. Okay, 27. That is saying that average is equal to total age, okay, divided by the number of children. Okay, you can write this formula because when they are marking, they can give you method 1 or method 2. that is also very good, not just putting out the exact answer. So here they were able to say 8 plus 9 plus this, yes, divided by 3. We are taking 3 because they are what? They are 3 items. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. So we shall be able to say 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. So that is simply on how they deal with average. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check out on our playlist for the lesson that you might have missed. Please also subscribe in order to get more upcoming lessons for all the subjects. This is my number, and this is our e-learning. This is our email at elearning@shareability.net. God bless you. Please have a good moment.